everyone, it's Angela Dahlgren. Today I'm going to give you a tour of a Copper Creek cabin. Let's go. The Copper Creek cabins are located at Disney's Wilderness Lodge. There are 26 of these lakeside getaways and they sleep up to 8 people. These cabins are 1,737 square feet and they all feature a lovely view of Bay Lake. So here I'm bringing you from the front door into the living room and kitchen. This cabin is huge. From the high ceilings to the floor-to-ceiling windows, which has a button that if you push this button, it has electric shades that go down and up. It's amazing. The living space is perfect for hosting parties or a family reunion, and there are plenty of spaces to sit. You see the chairs, the couches, the picnic table outdoors. This is an area where everyone will feel comfortable. And what I noticed from the cabin in general is while it does have that rustic theme of Disney's Wilderness Lodge, it's also a lot more modern and contemporary, which I really enjoyed. Let's take a look at the first bathroom. Like other DVC rooms, you'll notice that the toilet and the shower are in separate rooms, which will make it easier for different people to get ready. Now let's check out the first bedroom. One thing I've noticed that every Disney resort room does right is they really utilize their space. You have storage under the bed to put your suitcases. You have a really good sized closet to put extra things. They give you drawers. When I was on my Disney cruise, I noticed that was something Disney did very well, is they really maximize storage for you. Oh, and there's Angela in the mirror checking out her hair. And from here, I'll take you into the connecting bathroom. And look at that tub. Who would not want to relax in that after a busy day at the parks? There's the bathroom we were just in before we headed to the room. So here's the door when you first walk in. This is not a piece of wood. If you knock on it, it's actually metal. I know, crazy, it looks so real. And right off of the front door is another bedroom. Here you have a nice little sitting area with more drawers. You look out the front, you have a beautiful view of the front walk. And you have a nice little fold-down bed with a cute view of a sleeping Chippendale. Oh my gosh, they're so adorable. There I am again, and there's a sliding door that acts as a closet door and a mirror. Look at this fireplace. This is my favorite feature of this cabin. You can see it whether you're inside or outside. Can you imagine going outside early morning with your coffee or tea and then just sitting down in front of the fire and getting all cozy? Oh, it makes me so happy. But of course, there's also the option of getting into the jacuzzi and watching the fireworks at night, which is also a great plan in my book. That's all I have for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!